Hey everyone, and welcome. This is a review of the 2025 Master Google Ads, Bing Ads, and SA360 in Live Accounts course. Did I mention you can get this course for free using the link in the description, and even receive a certificate of completion? Amazing, right? Let's dive into the content. This course is a comprehensive guide to Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, formerly Bing Ads, and Search Ads 360. It covers everything from basic campaign setup to advanced optimization techniques, using real-world examples throughout. We're talking Google Ads Editor, Merchant Center, Manager Accounts, the whole shebang. The course also delves into Microsoft Ads, highlighting the differences and similarities between the two platforms, which is really valuable. Search Ads 360 is also covered extensively, perfect for managing large-scale campaigns. The curriculum is clearly structured, progressing logically from beginner to advanced topics. While I haven't personally taken the course, the description and curriculum outline suggest a strong emphasis on hands-on learning, which is fantastic. The inclusion of over 100 real-world examples is a major plus, allowing students to apply the concepts immediately. The course promises personalized feedback, which is a great way to get your skills sharpened. The course is designed for a wide audience, from complete beginners to experienced marketers looking to level up. Business owners, freelancers, and digital marketing professionals will find this incredibly useful. By the end, you'll be able to confidently manage multiple ad accounts, run and optimize campaigns on both Google and Microsoft Ads, and use all the essential tools effectively. You'll gain a deep understanding of paid search advertising strategies and be equipped to drive measurable results. While I can't comment on the instructor's teaching style directly, the detailed curriculum suggests a structured and well-organized approach. Overall, this course looks like a fantastic investment, or rather, a fantastic free opportunity. It offers a complete and up-to-date education in paid search advertising. If you're looking to boost your digital marketing skills or launch a successful PPC campaign, I highly recommend checking it out. Don't forget to check the description for the enrollment details and that amazing free offer. And if you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.